Everyone says you need to show your face to build a personal brand. But what if that's completely wrong? What if I told you that some of the fastest growing creators today, generating income and becoming trusted experts without ever appearing on camera? And no, I'm not talking about people with huge teams or celebrity status. I'm talking about ordinary creators using a strategy that most people completely overlook. Let's get into it. Most people never start creating content because they think they need confidence, they think they need perfect lighting, they think they need expensive equipment. They spend months watching other creators grow. They keep telling themselves they will start someday, and someday never comes. Here's the crazy part. The internet doesn't reward faces. The internet rewards value. Think about it. When you search for an answer online, do you care what the person looks like? Or do you care whether they solved your problem? Most people already know the answer, but there's something else holding them back. And this next mistake is destroying more creators. Why most people fail. Most faceless creators make one critical mistake. They try to hide themselves completely. Not just their face, their personality, their opinions, their experiences, everything. As a result, their content becomes generic. It sounds like everyone else, and generic content is invisible. Here's a surprising fact. People don't follow content, they follow perspectives. Two creators can talk about the exact same topic. One gets ignored, the other gets thousands of followers. Why? Because one shares information, the other shares a point of view. That's the difference. And if you miss this, no AI tool, editing software, or content strategy will save you. You don't need face recognition. Let me say that again. You don't need people to recognize your face. You need people to recognize your thinking. Most people are playing the wrong game. They're trying to become visually memorable. The best creators become intellectually memorable. Think about some of the biggest newsletters, blogs, and faceless channels online. Many of them build trust because people recognize their ideas, not their appearance. Here's another surprising observation. Showing your face creates attention. Sharing useful insights creates authority. Those are two completely different things. Attention gets clicks. Authority gets followers. Authority gets clients. Authority gets opportunities. And once you understand this distinction, everything changes. Because now the goal isn't to become famous, the goal is to become trusted. So how do you actually do that? Let's break it down. Actionable framework. I call this the authority without visibility framework. There are 4 steps. Step 1. Pick one problem. Authority comes from solving a specific problem repeatedly, not from talking about everything. For example, bad niche.
Avoid the bad niches. Instead, target good niches. AI tools for content creators,
Personal branding for introverts. Faceless content strategies. Freelancing with AI. Specificity builds trust.
people trust specialists, not generalists. Step 2. Create signature. This is where most creators fail. Don't just repeat information, people trust specialists.
Step 3. Create a recognizable identity. You don't need your face, but you do need consistency. Use the same avatar, the same voice style, the same content themes, the same messaging.
People should recognize your content before they see your name. That's branding, and branding creates familiarity. Familiarity creates trust. Step 4. Publish relentlessly. Most people quit too early. They post 5 videos, get 20 views, and disappear. But authority isn't built through one viral post. It's built through repeated exposure. One useful idea today, and then another, then another. Eventually saying, I keep seeing this person everywhere. That's when authority creators begins. Imagine 2 types of creators. One shows their face but only repeats advice. The other stays hidden but shares valuable insights. Which one do you think provides more value? Most people assume creator A, but often it's creator B. Why? Because trust comes from usefulness, not visibility. I recently saw faceless channels gain thousands of subscribers simply by sharing clear explanations, strong opinions, no viral dances, just value. Here's another surprising fact. Many viewers actually prefer faceless content because they focus more on the information and less on the creator. That means your ideas become the star. And that's exactly what authority requires. If you remember one thing, remember this. Authority is not built by showing your face. Authority is built by showing your expertise. The internet rewards people who consistently solve problems, not people who consistently appear on camera. Your face is optional. Your value isn't. Stop waiting for confidence, because every day you delay is another day someone else becomes third voice in your niche. So here's my challenge for you. For the next 30 days, create content without worrying about you. Focus only on delivering. Share what you know, share what you're learning, share your perspective.
Then come back and tell me what happened. And before you go, I want to ask you something. Do you think authority comes from visibility or from consistency? Let me know in the comments.